In Paragon, users have the ability to customize the forms or documents that they print out of their transactions. This is done using a tool called PGA, which is embedded in Paragon. To access the template editor, they will need to go to the settings page and then under reports and data, scroll down to find report template editor. In here, they will have direct access to the PGA tool, which allows them to completely customize the forms that they are printing. To create a new form, they can simply click the green plus button on the top left, which will create a new template, and all they'll have to do is follow the instructions and indicate which transaction that template is related to. For example, here we're looking at a template for invoices. I have the ability to print pretty much anything that exists on my invoice screen. So all the attributes, all the addresses that are on the invoice screen can be printed. Additionally, when we look at the data structure, I also have the ability to print all of my company's information, my own addresses, attributes that I may have set up on my company screen can be printed. The same applies with all the line items. If there are attributes on the products themselves, or if I want to print the BOM of these products, I can access all of that information directly from PGA to include it on my printouts. The same applies obviously to the customer or vendor account, depending on the transaction that we're looking at. Additionally, I can preview what the work that I'm working on, and I can also add different elements to my printout. I can add text field in which I will then insert attributes or other fields of information pulled from my transaction, my items, or the companies on the transaction. I can add tables, containers, charts, images, even graphs if I wanted, or barcodes for a pick ticket, for example. There are a lot of different possibilities, and there is even more options when we start diving into calculated fields that allow me to input different operations inside the fields to do multiplications, subtractions, additions, etc., or even if statements.